Namaste dear friends, welcome once again to my YouTube channel Suhas Entertainments and Cultural Activities. So today we are continuing the series of videos on Pushpitagra Chandas, that is Sanskrit poetic meter. So earlier in my video I explained the Pushpitagra Lakshana Sutra and its meaning, how we applied the Pushpitagra pattern to Lakshana Sutra itself, and amazingly we got the same. So we continue with the illustration now. The first illustration I am giving is the last sloka of Aditya Hrudayam. Aditya Hrudayam is highly popular. It appears in the 107th canto of Sarga of Ramayana. Every day lakhs of people are chanting Aditya Hrudayam. But what probably many don't know is that the last sloka is composed in Pushpitagra. It is a great joy to know about the chandas, apply the chandas, verify the chandas. It will give fantastic joy. So we'll examine the Pushpitagra pattern on the last sloka of Aditya Hrudaya and enjoy this poetry. So this poem goes like this. Aditya Hrudaya last sloka I am going to recite now. For the benefit of those who don't, as usual I'll be giving the lyrics on the YouTube screen. Those who already know, well and good. So that is it. The last sloka of Aditya Hrudaya composed in Pushpitagra Chandas. Here I go. Athara Viravadan Nirikshya Ramam Muditamara Paramam Prahrushyamanah Nishicharapathi Sanshayam Viditva Suragana Madhyagato Vachastvareti. Fantastic rhyming melody, isn't it, my dear friends? Now we will examine the Pushpitagra pattern on this Aditya Hrudaya last sloka. So taking the first and third lines we have to take. First line we will take now, first padam. So what the Pushpitagra Sutra says, we will just have a recap. The first and third line should be Ayujinayuga Re Fato Yakaro. First and third line should be consisting of 12 letters, and the pattern should be Nayuga Re Fato Yakaro. We will just examine now. Nayuga means double Nagana, one Refa, that is Ragana, and then one Yagana we should get. Yakara means Yagana. So we will just apply. Athara Viravadan Nirikshya Ramam. Athara we are getting as 000, that is Nagana. Then moving on, Virava we are getting as one more 000, that is Nagana again. So double Naganas we are getting. Nayuga we got. So Nayuga Re Fato we have to check. Danniri we are getting as a Refa. Danniri is 101. Sharamam is getting as 011, that is Yagana. So we got double Nagana, Nayuga, and then Re Fato Yakaro we got. Exact. Fantastic, isn't it, my dear friends? So moving on to second line, the sutra says Yujicha Najau Jaragascha Pushpitagra. The pattern should be Najau Jaragascha. It should consist of 13 letters. So what the second line of Aditya Hrudaya last sloka says, it is Mudita Mana Paramam Prahrushyamanah. Mudita we are getting as 000, that is Nagana. Mana Pra we are getting as 010, that is Jagana. So Najau we got already, the pattern we got. Najau Jaragascha we have to check. So moving on, Mudita Mana Paramam Prahrushya. Ramam pra we are getting as 010, that is Najauja we are getting. Then Ramam pra Hrushyama we are getting a Refa, that is Najau Jara. We have got that pattern now. Then Gascha means Naha in the end. Hrushyama Naha, that is God, the final Guru for you. So we got Najau Jara Gascha. Mudita Mana Paramam Prahrushyamanah. Fantastic, isn't it, my dear friends? That is 13 letter line, getting you the pattern Najau Jaragascha. So moving on to third line, again we should get double Nagana, Refa and Yakara. Yujicha Ayuji Nayuga Refato Yakaro. So we'll move to third line now. Third line says Nishicharapathi Sanshayam Viditva. Nishicha we are getting as first Nagana 000. Rapati we are getting as again 000, that is second Nagana. Double Na we got Nayuga. Sankshayam itself is a refa, so fantastic, very simple. Viditva is a yakara, fantastic, very simple. 101 and 011. Fantastic poetry, isn't it, my dear friends? Nishicharapati Sankshayam Viditva is getting us Nayuga Refato yakara. Fantastic. So and then moving on to the fourth line, again it should be 13 letter, and then the pattern should be Najau Jaragascha. So fourth line says what it says. Suragana Madhyagato Vachastvareti. Suraga, we are getting as first Nagana, and then Suraga Namadhya. Namadhya, we are getting as 010, that is Naja. Najau we got. So then Gatova. Gatova, we are getting as 010. Again, on Jagana, Najau Ja we get. Then the Sutra says Ragascha, Ragascha, that is Chastvare. Chastvare is one more refa we are getting. Suragana Madhyagato Vachastvare Ti. Ti is the final guru. That is fantastic, isn't it, my dear friends? So this is exactly Pushpitagra, the last slokam of Aditya Hriya is composed in Pushpitagra poetic meter. Fantastic to know, isn't it, my dear friends? So share my video to all your friends and relatives. This is the poetic joy. We'll keep on enjoying poetry, some amazing, fantastic poetry and poetic joy. I deliver every day for you. Keep sharing and subscribing, liking to my videos. In the upcoming video, I will give you one more fantastic illustration of Pushpitagra from the ocean of Sanskrit literature. Until then, bye for now. This is Suhas TV signing off for Suhas Brahmins Matrimony, Jayanagar, Bangalore 11. As usual, all those Brahmins who wish to avail my matrimony services for a nominal cost, please catch me direct on 876200915. My number is coming on the YouTube screen. We'll wrap up this video by chanting the last slok of Aditya Hriya again. Atharaviravadannirikshya Ramam Muditamana Paramam Prahrushyamanah Nishicharapati Samshayam Viditva Suragana Madhyagato Vachastvareti. Fantastic, my dear friends. So we meet again. Thank you. Hari Om Sati. Jai Shri Ram. Namaste.